Today we're diving into Alpha Network, an AI platform that claims to connect users with powerful tools and resources. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore what it really offers and if it's worth your time. Alpha Network positions itself as a comprehensive AI platform aimed at empowering users with various tools and resources for both personal and professional use. At its core, the platform seems designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. You'll find features that cater to a range of tasks, from automation to analytics, which could be appealing for both freelancers and small business owners. Navigating the site is fairly straightforward, and the user interface feels modern, which is a plus. However, I noticed some areas where clarity is lacking. For instance, while they mention various tools, the specifics on how they integrate and function together aren't very detailed. This could leave potential users wondering exactly what they're getting into. The intended audience appears to be tech-savvy individuals looking for efficiency, but I can't shake the feeling that some users might find it overwhelming or unclear, especially if they're not familiar with AI technology. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Alpha Network offers a clean design and a range of tools that could genuinely help boost productivity. If you're someone who thrives on automation and efficiency, you might find some valuable resources here. However, there are a few concerns. The lack of detailed information on specific tools and their effectiveness can be frustrating. Plus, there's a noticeable absence of user testimonials or feedback, which raises some trust issues. Pricing details also seem vague, leaving potential users uncertain about their investment. This platform might not suit those who prefer a more guided or simpler approach to AI tools. On the other hand, if you're comfortable navigating tech and are looking for an all-in-one solution, it could be worth exploring further. In conclusion, Alpha Network has potential, especially for users who are adept with AI tools. However, the lack of transparency and detailed information might deter some. If you're in the market for AI solutions, it's worth a look, but I'd recommend weighing your options and considering alternatives first.